So in this video, we'll see how we can change the URL format like a name, like someone click on page, it will for your domain name slash the page name. Sometimes it will it phone number, we will fix it. Let's go. Here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress. Now we will see how we can edit the URL. First thing is default URL. This is what? It's your domain. Now, on domain, when you open something like when I go on about us page, you will see slash about us open. When I open any product like this product, money plant, here you see product money plant open. Now I want to change it, okay, how it will look. For that, what I can do, go over here pages. Now, if you want to change URL of pages, that's very easy. This is my page. I want to change its URL. Click on edit. Here you can see on right side, there's option of link. In link, whatever URL you want to show, like about us 123, I will add URL 123. Now just save it. Now when you open this page, its URL will be changed. View page, you can see about us 123. So that's how you can edit pages URL. Similarly, you can edit post URL. Now I want to change the product URL. For that, go on products, click on edit product. There will be on top, there is URL. If you want to edit it, click on edit. Okay, update. Now I want to change this product, like it is coming by default whenever I open this product, this URL automatic edit. If you want to change it, you can do that also. For that, what you need to do in setting, here, go on links. Here you can see in links there's option like what product based URL you want to give. Like for product category, it will show product category, product attribute, default, custom. For product base, what do you want? Like someone open my product, I want to display something else, suppose product 123, suppose that. Save it. Now when I open my, here you can see, so that's how you can change the URL in WordPress or WooCommerce as per your requirement. Like sometimes what happen, your URL show in number format. It doesn't pick the page name or something. For that, what you need to do, go on settings, go on links. Here you can see by default plain, sometimes plain structure enable, then it will pick 123 number. You need to add post name. Select this option and then it will show as your page name. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my